Hello everyone, and welcome to Forex Trading Made Easy. I'm George Smith. In today's video, I want to show you how you can sometimes make a pretty good percentage with just one trade. To give you a little background, I was watching the one-day chart on Monday morning. Prices were going up, but because the major trend was down, I didn't want to stay in the trade very long. I was also watching the point and figure chart. I knew that if a 3-box reversal was made, prices often continue. So here's how things turned out. It took about 11 minutes. So let me show you how I did it. Once I saw the indicators at the bottom of my charts were positive, I simply placed a limit order slightly higher than prices. Since I figured if prices kept going higher, they'd probably take out that previous high, and that's where I wanted to have my exit order. Then I simply subtracted 12 from the exit point, and that gave me my entry at $25.98. Because I'm using 70% of my capital on this trade, I used a 9-pip stop. That way I wouldn't lose more than about 2% if things went the wrong way. And of course I tighten up my stop as prices move in my favor. Right here, I'll lose only 3 pips if I'm stopped out. Then I got busy and forgot to move my stop any higher. But it didn't really matter, since the trade closed out at my target. Now let me show you something interesting. My broker uses units to trade with. 10,000 units equals $1 per pip. If my working capital equaled $2,500, I could trade roughly 100,000 units at 50 to 1 margin. I then multiply my 100,000 units by 70% and use just 70,000 units, equal to $7 per pip, for my trade. I earned 12 pips. $7 times 12 equals $84. 84 divided by 2,500 equals 3.4%. Most people, including myself, would be happy with that percentage. But wait, there's more. Earlier in the morning, I earned another 12 pips, but wasn't set up to record it. Along with that trade, I earned a total of $168. 168 divided by 2,500 equals 6.7%. But I wasn't through. Since it was my birthday, I thought I'd get in one more last trade for the day. Around midnight, I earned another 8 pips with an easy trade in just 3 minutes. That's all for now. I'm George Smith. Thanks for watching.